Good morning everyone. So now I am going to show you fundamental analysis of one of the company who is dealing in wires and LAN cable connection. Company name is Vidya Telelinks Limited. So nowadays the requirement of internet, computer, cables going to be increased. So this company is leading manufacturer and supplier of jelly-filled telecommunication cable, optical fiber cable for telecommunication, and also the important wire for internet. So you can see here the company is manufacturing fiber optics cable, copper cable, power cable, security cable, solar PV cable. Company is one of the part of Birla Group. You can see on the screen. So you can see all the latest update in their site. So now let's check some of the fundamental analysis of Vidya Telelinks. As I told you, engaged in the manufacturing of cells and cables of wire, optic fibers, FRP rod, glass roll beam. Okay, the current market cap is 1290 crore, price 1089 crore, high is 1499, low is 622 crore, rupees, stock P 4.22, book value. So book value of the company is 2431, which is very good. Market price 1089 and book value is 2431, very good sign. Dividend is also reasonable, 0.92. Return on capital employed is 12.7, return on equity 10.2, cash value 10, Altman J score 2. So right now Altman J score 2, but good sign, company can grow in future. Number of equity 1.9, growth factor 4, Pioneer Trotsky 6, solid 1, reserve. This one price power, see price power, whenever you see price power is 1 or more than 1, it is showing that the current price is lower than book value. Asset power, you can see asset they are having 1.64 multiple extra than liabilities. Good sign. When you check the maximum chart of this company, the company is giving ultimate result to the investors who is investing for long term. In the short term, this may can go down, but for long term it can go up. You can see the P here. So currently stock is trading below than their actual value. So you can see the blue color is high and this dark blue color is down. So 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 5 year. This is the way you can see the P price. Now company has reduced their debt. Stock is trading 0.4 times the book value. Company has delivered good profit growth, 22.6 CAGR. Company is made in a sales growth of 29.8. Cons, there are some cons. Company has delivered poor sales growth, low return on equity, earning include other income. Company has high debt of 280 days. Okay. Now you can see here the company is maintaining healthy sales. Sales are they are increasing their sales, but because of this lockdown, they are having some impact. It was same in the last June because there was lockdown in March, April, May, June, July, and this June also because of the lockdown is March, April, May. So 340. Expenses also increasing accordingly, but they have maintained good margin, 17, 15, 13, 14, good margin. Other income They are also increasing their other source of income. So now you can see that company is getting other income is 64, 58, 96, 53 in last 4 quarters. Interest, balanced interest earlier was 22 crore, 26 crore, 23, now it is 15 crore. Depreciation are also decreasing, maintaining depreciation. Profit before tax. So last, yes, in the March month, 155 crore. This month, 89 crore. If you compare year on year, last June only 35 crore. Very good sign. You can see here the profit loss. They are increasing their sales, but the few years not increasing well. Expenses also increasing accordingly, but they are maintaining healthy margin now. Other income is also increasing here. You can see 2020 220 crore, March 240 crore, 2021 240 crore, and expected is 270 crore. Interest also they are paying interest, but it is comparison to the other total EBITDA is very good. They are creating profit 404 crore, expected this year 350 crore. Very good company. Now you can see the balance sheet. First thing important here, equity capital. Company is not diluting their equity capital. There was dilution happened in 2018-19 between, but very marginal. But they are maintaining healthy and excellent balance sheet. Reserve, you can see reserve are increasing exponentially. In 2010, the reserve were 254, but in March, 2,869. Okay, borrowing decreased since last 2 and 3 years. In 2019, 832 crore borrowing. Now borrowing is 563 crore. Other liabilities also increasing. Fixed asset increasing. Investment, you can see investment, how they have increased their investment. Now the actual investment of the company is 2,654, which is greater than their market cap. Excellent. So we are saying the investment is greater than market cap. Other asset, when you click other asset, so if you add total trade receivable, also greater than their market cap. Excellent structure. Company is also maintaining good cash, 2021 crore cash. Debtor days increase, which is something they have to concern. Return on capital employed also maintained. So promoter is holding intact. Okay, so promoter is holding intact 43.54. DI also interested in this company. FII 0.69, DI 9.14, and public holding is 46.63. Some of the named and famous investors are involved in this. Okay, so you can see all board of meeting here, annual report, credit rating. Hope this video help you in order to take decision for this company. Thank you. Have a nice day.